You'll be wondering, this is in the red. The stock is down almost 3%. The other side, you look, all the banks are in green in the Nifty Bank constituents. So the question is, which bank is this? The bank is ICICI Bank, bulls versus bears. There's a lot of concerns coming in. Of course, the numbers are very strong, just to put it in perspective. And the Q2 numbers I'm talking about, the asset quality, that continues to be strong. Nevertheless, the PAT growth, that has been a single-digit growth coming in a multi-quarter basis as well. That's the bear case coming up. Up next, we pull up the next bull case and the bear case. Now over here, we see that the management is expecting the second half of FY26 to be much, much better going ahead. But there is a bear case scenario as well. The credit growth, that has still remained soft in the second quarter as well. Let's pull up the third case over here. The DIs have upping stake in the last 6 months as well. And of course, a FI favorite also, a private bank, where the FIs have actually reduced their little bit stake, but DIs have shown their support in this entire bull case for ICICI Bank. Bear case, that's one of the major overhangs, and we are having a discussion with Alex earlier. CEO term is still October 26. Of course, the clarity on the future is also a key factor, and until it's not known, it still remains an overhang. Now let's crunch some numbers. What do you see the bull case? The 12-month forward price to book ratio, that's at 2.1 times, just exactly at 5-year average levels today. So it's not premium right now when it comes to ICICI Bank, and the stock itself has underperformed the Nifty Bank index. It's up 9%, and Nifty Bank, you look at it on a year-to-date basis, it's up 14%. Let's look at the tension between the broking houses, the target price. The highest target price is by PNB Paribas for the bull case coming in. And lastly, the bear case, the lowest target price, it's near that level, 1440 from Bernstein coming in. So there is a confusion, there is a drama, there is a bull, there is a bear, there is a push, there is a pull when it comes to ICICI Bank.
Interesting, in fact, I mean, and from all the banks, it's ICICI which is trading under pressure.
Yeah.
And a couple of points that Sharad already mentioned. Thank you, Sharad, for that. In fact, Siddharth, a quick one in terms of ICICI Bank. All banks on one side, you have ICICI Bank, which is underperforming. Do you think this becomes an opportunity to buy an ICICI Bank if you have to look at the valuations as well? How would you look at this stock specifically?
Definitely, Hiral, I would stay more on the positive side for ICICI. They have consistently delivered strong performance, rising across the sectoral challenges, sustaining its ROAs in the range of 2.3, 2.4%. They've maintained a strong balance sheet as well as reduced the deposit cost in the past 2 quarters, showing the agility as well as the leadership execution. I think, yes, there is a pressure because I think some of the money is being taken off and moving towards mid caps, but I think valuations have come off in the recent times with the stock consolidating, and clearly the leadership in terms of execution, delivery, and the strong performance, I think that makes a good entry opportunity. We remain positive with a buy rating on ICICI. We have a target price of 1700, so definitely a good entry opportunity into ICICI Bank.
1700, okay, that's a pretty significant upside from this point, and I think pretty much bang in the middle of the range, right? But I want to talk to you about a few volume buzzers